So since the last update, I traded out the 010 distributor for a 043 distributor. I'm not getting fuel to the back end for whatever reason. I checked the hose and I can blow air through it. It's still not getting back here, so something's still kind of plugged up in there. So I'm just filling the carburetor from the top. I had to adjust the timing on the distributor I got. It was set up for another Beetle, and he said just try it there. It didn't work. I had to go about another 10 degrees off from that for this engine, and it seems to work well. I got a new starter and burnt that up already. So I had another used starter I put in there. I'm going to take the burnt up one, has a lifetime warranty, so I'm going to take that back. But I don't have much in here. If I fill up the carburetor from this direction, that's the vent there, and spill a little bit in there. It will run. Now I just have to get fuel to the back end. And I've got another carburetor and a few other little things to do. So that's the next step.